Guys, I did it again and spoiled Luffy and Sanji. I went shopping for the house, and of course, when I see dog stuff, I can't resist. So I bought these two silicone licking mats. I got this set of two squeaky toys because they were too cute, and I have to get everything in pairs. The worst part is they always fight over the same toy, so it's actually pointless. I also bought these dehydrated salmon skins because salmon products are great for your pet's skin and coat, whether dogs or cats. And now I'm going to show this new toy to Luffy and Sanji to see if they like it. I also took the time to clean or sanitize every new items. Mission accomplished. Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel.